Room service, thank you for calling. This is Julius BK speaking. How may I help you?
Can I order food?
Alright, ma'am, but before you take your order, do you have your menu with you? It is located on the table beside your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
I have your name and room number, please.
Angela of room 17.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that information, Miss Angela of room 17. May I get your order?
From Continental Breakfast. 1 orange juice, 1 croissant, served with butter.
I suggest to you our whole apple or fresh fruit.
No thanks.
Is there anything else that I would like to add?
No.
May I repeat your order? Your order is 1 orange juice and 1 croissant served with butter. Did I get your order right?
Yes.
Please be advised that your order will be served within 15 to 20 minutes. The total amount of your bill is 400 pesos. Would you prefer it in cash or charged to your room?
Pay in cash.
Is there anything else that I can help you with?
No.
Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Room service. Good day. I am Julius BJ and I will your room service for today. Are you Miss Angela of room 17?
Yes.
Would you like put the tray on the table or set up the table for you? Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your croissant served with butter and your orange juice also. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to open the TV for you?
Yes.
How about the temperature of the air conditioning?
Yes.
Would you like to open the curtains for you?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your bill. Your bill is 400 pesos. I received 500 pesos. Enjoy your meal and thank you.